Yo, 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 welcome back to the stream, y'all. I see you guys made it. Okay, 7 a.m. You already know what time it is, y'all. All right, so what I'm trying to do right now is show you guys where we left off at for the week and yesterday. Um, let's see what we got going right here. What we got going. All right, so we got gold up here, guys. This is Monday's trade. Um, just here to give you guys a quick update on Monday's trade. One, good morning. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I just got out of the gym. I had a rush, everything. Um, it was like one of those just get through it, you feel me, type situation. Um, and hurry up and get here on the stream. But I wanted to show you guys a few things, the update on yesterday. This is actually Monday, September 11th, as you see at the bottom. This is when we entered this trade. The group is still running in this trade. We have 100 pips secured. All right. I gave y'all this Monday. If you were here Monday, you got this signal. You got the signal if you were on the stream or if you were in the Telegram group. Either way you look at it, you got the signal. All right. And remember, I said that look left, we were looking at the fact that these were once dollar signs and they became X's now because market has slammed through those X's, right? Through those dollar signs and created it to be an X now. I X those out because they're no longer like it's sufficient now. It's no longer a target, right? So these targets are still here below. All right. And then look at all this here. We still have all of these down here in the 1800 price zone. All right. So also, we still have this trade up here running too. This is from last week, Monday. Last week, Monday, we have a trade at 1941 is the price. And that one is still running. 100 pips secured is way up here. Market almost tried to reach it up in this area, but it didn't quite get up to our price. And guess what? Market has been falling ever since. So if you took the trade from last week, Monday, right, you are deep in some serious profits. All right, so I can do the measurements on this one. You reached last week, Monday, 335 pips. This Monday, we reached 219 pips, and you could take off the 20 pips that we got hit on one of the trades up in this area. We got a break even that happened, and then we had another trade that we took a shot. It hit stop loss, right, which was 20 pips. It's okay. And then I found a higher zone on where I wanted to shoot at and take her down. And that one is in profit, 219 pips now. So yeah, we lost 20, but just take 20 pips off of the 219 pips and you're running at a good easy 200 pips, guys. All right. Market is still, the trades are still looking good. I've been, peeking at them every now and then. They're still running pretty well, guys. There's no need to if we're in such a good position on Monday, this is why I say you guys need to be here Monday. Because as you can see, look at last week's trade Monday. All right. And now we have the new trade for the new week. And this Monday, I found a position on the continuation to the downside. So Mondays, I feel like banks or big institutions or whatever are going to make their move early in the week. Why would they do it at the end of the week or midweek? They would do it in the beginning of the week and then start, you know, start closing out as the week goes on, right? So Monday, as you can see, this past Monday, or last week's Monday, look how it turned out, right? And this, I mean, gold is moving very smooth, y'all. I mean, so smooth that I love when she moves like this because I can see the picture so much clearer, right? Um, and it's just easy to catch her, right? When she's not going too crazy and volatile, guys. It's easy to pretty much catch her. Um, so again, Mondays here is where we got in last week, Monday, and this past previous September 11th Monday is where we got in at this position, and we are now currently here. All right. So let me just zoom into where we currently are right now, so you can have an idea of what's going on currently. And okay, so this is where we are right now. This is how I caught this area, this shot, to let me know, like, hey, this is perfect on where we could get in at, right? And then take her to the downside. Right now, we're in a consolidation area right now, as you could tell on 15-minute. We've been consolidating in this area. So I want to see there's not really anything happening right now. Let's see if there's any news. All right, 7:30, we do have news. So we're going to stick around for the news just to see what happens. Will market push in our direction even more and give us that downside push? And man, that would be great, That'd be amazing. Or is it 7:30? Yeah, 7:30. Will market retrace back up to the upside and then push down? Remember, our stop loss and the team stop loss is at 1922. All right. Well, my stop loss is at 1922. Let me see. Did team get out? They hit all the take profit, so they still, yeah, we're still running this trade. Smash, take profit, 21. Okay, break even at price 1931. Okay, that's way up there, 1931. But okay, so this is this one. All right, cool. So the group has taken all their profits, and let me see. Yeah, they've taken all their profits, but I went ahead and I have the eye to be able to determine whether I want to hold my trade, but I'm not going to keep everybody else that's on the squad, holding their trade for too long. They got massive amounts. They got a trade that they holding right now, right? But I didn't want them to hold this one. Just put it at like, well, I think it was the previous one. Let me see, 1927. All right, so 1927, yeah, and they taking all their profits. All right, cool. But right now, I went ahead and let them go ahead and take their TP 1, 2, and 3, and then I was just going to hold. So I got 100 pips secured right here at this price at 1922, and I mean they basically gave me another freaking 100 pips. Look, 140 pips after that. So we got 140 pips that's secured. I mean, that's running, and we got 100 pips secured. Like, come on, guys. Come on. I mean, I'm just saying. That's pretty fire. A lot of y'all having hard time just like trying to grab 20, 30 pips or whatever. Here I am. 100 pips secured now. Keep going. Now we running extra 140 pips. Like, come on. Get with the program. I need you guys to understand this theory and see like how I could get my entries that I'm getting. Because I'm no longer showing this stuff on my social media sites. I'm only going to show it here on YouTube. So if you want the knowledge and the information, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that like button. You feel me? Like how I snuck that in? I like how I snuck that in. All right, so this way, you know what I mean? You could be up to date, and then you could come here and be like, oh, what Mo Diesel playing, yo? I want to see what she playing. I want to see what entries she looking at to get in at. So I'm finna just do like a quick, since we have moved over like 200 pips, I'm going to do a quick analysis on this, but I want to do it on a higher time frame. I want to see what's happening higher. Oh man. All right. Remember I said that we still have this big dollar sign down here, guys. Big old dollar sign down here, right? We still have that, right? Still strong possibility of getting down there. Look at the wave. This was our last week Monday's trade, and then look from the hourly perspective. I could like I said, we could have went deeper on the P&L, but I wanted like 250 pips on this P&L. It's like, come on, guys. I mean, how much more? What more you want from me? What more you want? What guan? What guan on? All right. So, I'm still seeing that there's a possibility of gold. There's more dollar signs down here. Lots of money sitting here. And there's a big dollar sign down here. Why wouldn't, and the way momentum is looking and the trend, I'm looking at quite a few things, right? But doesn't mean that she's just gonna fly down there. She's gonna take her time and get down there. And I like the two positions that we're holding right now. All right. I want to continue to hold them. I don't want to get in another trade and then have market decides it wants to go up, right? And I'll be able to tell if market is going up based off a lower time frame. It has to break trends on a lower time frame, and start trending in a certain direction. I want to say like on a 15, 30 minutes, something like that. But according to the 1 hour, according to the 4 hour, we can look at the 4 hour. I mean, momentum is to the downside, guys. So that's really what I'm looking for and what I'm seeing. So like again, we have news in 15 minutes. So I want to see what price is going to do in this area right here, because it created a strong candle to the downside. It didn't feel it. It still has insufficient price action there. So I mean, we can go ahead and mark it if that's, if it makes you guys more comfortable. We can update the chart real quick. So let me go ahead and do that real fast. All right, so we're going to say this is gone. Oh, shoot, what happened? All right. So let's just update the chart, and so our eyes can see a little bit more clear. All right. She's smacking that. All right, she hit these on a lower time frame already. All right. Barely getting into this insufficient price action right here, like literally tapping into it, dipping. Like you have to zoom in to see. Look, she dipped into it, right? Like right there, look, you see it. She dipped into my insufficient price action and pulled off. And look, let's just say, let's see where she pulled off right there. And she went up 70 pips, guys. Come on. All right. That's easy money. And you could have watched this on a lower time frame, and it would have gave you the indication that they were going ready to pull back up in reverse, and that would have been an easy call of 70 pips. But I'm trying to hold this position up here and go long term to the downside, because I want to see this full wick over here to the look left, this black candle with this wick right here. I want to see this wick get taken. I want to see all of this get taken, like all of, like even this, the bottom of the wick has money in it. right? So there's money in the wicks, guys. Okay. All right. So we still have 13 minutes before news. And really, guys, every day is not a trading day. Like, I'm trading, like, in a sense, I am trading every day because I have trades running, but taking or hitting the button every day, guys. I'm not hitting the button every day. I am monitoring my trades, seeing the positions that I'm in. I'm in pretty heavy, so there's no need for me to try to go in, like, get more. That's just greed, guys. Like, I just go ahead and get in a position. I'm comfortable with these positions right here. And I don't need anything else. I already showed y'all how I got this. Oops. How I got the fib. Where's the fib? I see a fib on here. Yeah, right there. All right. I already showed y'all how I got the shot. So right now it's just, it's Wednesday. I'm just monitoring my trades. I'm not sitting up here trying to look for I could trades right now. They're winning. Like, some of y'all want to just hit the button every day because you can. No, there's no need to hit the button every day. And sometimes there isn't a signal. Okay. I don't put signals out every day. Sometimes there isn't a signal. If I see something, because I know where the group is at. If I see something, then I'm going to give it to you. Man, that one smacked it. That's good. I mean, this setup was very nice up here. Beautiful setup in this area. And then